Are you the one who works from morning to night? Are you the one with zero savings? Do you plan to retire without any savings? We bring to you the Syndicate, one-stop solution to all your investment needs. Hey everyone, I am Nandini Sharma. I am from team Incipients. My teammate is Akansh Gupta. So, what exactly is Syndicate? A syndicate service is a research study which is conducted and funded by the market research firm. So, it studies about various industrial trends from the users and provides the user one-click investment experience. Here, you do not analyze the data. You do not have to get into industrial trends, and you do not require any previous knowledge about the market. Syndicate is about automating the process for more assured profit and lesser risk. So regardless the amount of time and knowledge you have about the current market, Syndicate allows you to invest by providing the estimated risk and major profit chances by just a few clicks. So we have made Syndicate, which aims to empower people with less time to research into industries and stocks to be able to invest and generate profitable returns. From students in their 20s who don't know about the market to all the people in their 40s who are working day and night, Syndicate is a one-step solution for all the investment needs. So how are we going to do it? We stay updated with the market trends and progression in the industry. It's a tedious task, but Syndicate service uses different techniques such as statistical tools, market survey, historical data, financial reports, trade data, aiming to provide a holistic and a meaningful view of the industry. So what does the process looks like? This is how Syndicate is working in the backend. It refines the data from the last 60 days and then generalizes it into industrial data. It then calculates the moving average, and then the risk and returns is provided as the output. It can also predict the trend from the next 2 days for short-term investments. So what exactly is 10 to 13-day moving average? So we found that moving average is widely used technical indicator that smooths out the price trends for filtering out the noise from random short-term price fluctuations. The red line shows the daily trends, but the blue line shows the moving average on how the stocks are behaving for the last 10 to 13 days. We take 10 to 13-day moving average because according to our research, the lower day moving average must be greater than higher day moving average. Only then the trend is of buying. So what this graph, what exactly are, how are we going to invest and how are we making sure that the investment that we are going to make is going to be good? So the graph shows the various industries on the basis of risk versus returns. Industries with the lowest risk and higher returns will be the best sector to invest in. We have calculated the standard deviation from average returns. For example, here the ophthalmic goods are the best industrial sectors to invest in. It has the least risk factor and the most returns. So you can also be the Wall Street hero without moving out of the law or out of your comfort. Apps is the star of the show on which the whole Canvas app is built. Office 365 stocks were very helpful to get the data of all the 1,000+ stocks we needed for. The Power BI was used to analyze and interpret all the data for moving average, risk return graphs, and more. So what are we expecting in the future for Syndicate? Making the user experience for the customer very smooth and simple. Syndicate will provide the user and with estimated growth output, analyze all the data study for the users, and provide a one-click investment experience. Countries like India require a lot of extra requirements for tradings, like having demat account for every user. Syndicate tries to simplify this as it will work as a wallet system with the sole trading body being Syndicate itself. So the working prototype of how Syndicate is currently looking like. Here we have the funds and transfers, the information of how the things are happening here, and the graphs showing the studies that we have done. And here is the wallet system. Here we have given the option of how like in our Indian rupee system, we'll be depositing of the amount that we want and then invest whenever we want. When we invest, it will invest automatically on the highest industries that are currently there in the market. And whenever we feel like withdrawing the amount that we have invested, we can withdraw it right from here. And this is the estimated portfolio. It gives an estimated portfolio of how it's going to be look like at the end of the day. And coming on to the information section here, that because we want a transparent system for the user and the app itself. So we are providing with the risk versus return graph, the moving average, and the sector-wise division of how things are working on the back end, so that the user know of how and when he's investing in what and why he's doing it.
Work. I can just click a simple button on Syndicate and all my funds will be invested directly. And that's a relief for me, to be very honest. So I really like Syndicate. Thank you so much.
So thank you everyone for being patient enough to listen to this. And we, as a team in Incipients, present you this idea. Thank you so much for everything.